So hi guys, today is 9th October 2020 and this is my video journal for video journal journal for today. So today also it was a peaceful day. I had taken a leave today, so yeah, it was peaceful. Woke up at 5. No, I woke up at 6:30 today because yesterday there was the party I had said uh, yesterday. So that party had made me very tired, so I woke up at around 6:30, and then today was back and biceps. So I did my back and biceps exercises, and then my cook came. He made poha for breakfast. People who do not know poha, you can Google it, POHA, vegetable poha. And then second, for lunch he made jackfruit, jackfruit curry and some arbi ki sabzi. Then for the night he had made some cottage cheese paneer and some dal, but as usual he does not know his quantity, so he made them a lot. एंड मुझे मतलब कल अभी खाऊंगा बच गया है बहुत कुछ, तो हाँ वो इशू तो रहता है। मुझे कई बार बोला है मैंने उन्हें, मतलब मैं ना आई हैव सीन, जैसे आज मैंने अपने सफाई वाले पे भी थोड़ा चिल्ला दिया था। वो बंदा है ना, एज एन आई हैड टोल्ड हिम दैट टू वॉश द बाथरूम second and first use first like clean the room first, wipe the room first and then wipe the bathroom floor, but he wipes the fucking bathroom floor first and then he wipes the room, and wo bathroom, and he uses the same cloth, so the bathroom floor germs come on the floor. So I told him to stop. He was started cleaning the bathroom first. I told him to stop and he was not stopping, so I yelled. Now I feel that yeah, it was kind of okay. Like he was not listening, so I told him all that. Like I just increased my voice. Sometimes you need to increase your voice when people do not listen to you. But I think I am too hard on myself that I yell a lot. I used to yell a lot. Now I have like become much better. So yeah. I am hard on myself. I think we all are hard on ourselves. We judge ourselves very quickly, and that is very straight, gives like a straight pass to anxiety and depression. So we should not do that. Then we have then what did I do? Then I started studying for my Adobe Analytics certification, but I studied for half an hour, 1 hour. Then I got demoralized because I was giving a exam and I was not getting I was not able to give a lot of answers. So I what will a normal human do? He'll run away from his problems. So I slept off at around 1:30 after eating my lunch, and woke around 4:30 by a knock on my door from this guy who also lives in my building, and he started asking me that how to operate the washing machine, because apparently I am the only guy who knows how to operate the washing machine in this whole fucking building. So yeah, I had to wake up from my warm bed and teach him how to operate the washing machine, which I also apparently don't know, which I also don't really know, man, because my cook cleans my clothes for me, or this Sham, the guy who comes. So yeah, I told him something, and then after that, I was feeling not that good today, so I decided to go on a long walk, and I walked for like 2.5 hours. Yeah, I just walked, man. I was listening to Joe Rogan's podcast with Bill Burr, and they had some really good points. And one point that struck with me was that how they were discussing, like, is wearing a mask good or not? Like, Joe Rogan was like wearing a mask will make him look like a pussy, will make him look like a girl. And I was just astonished that America, being such an educated and like a powerhouse, and people have still not accepted that mask wearing won't make them have a vagina, man. Just wear the mask. Scientifically, it is proven that wearing the mask would help in curtailing the coronavirus. India, being a third world country, people have started wearing a mask, and I discussed this with my dad. He told me that America has just too much liberty. Everyone, the freedom of speech has just been exploited, and people just keep on saying whatever they want, and like they have so many alternate truths that is harming America. And India, not being such an educated country, uh, and also there is like the fear of the law, because we know that law is so corrupt. If we mess with it, it will mess us so bad, and the probability of getting justice in India is also, if the probability of getting justice in US is 7 out of 10, like 70% of the time you will get justice. In India it is like 20%, man, and you don't want to mess with it. So yeah, so just wear a fucking mask. It won't make you do make it won't change you inside your pants. So yeah, just wear the mask. And sometimes you it is not that you should do what you feel like. You should do what is the right thing, and that is self discipline, and we need to cultivate that self discipline. And in US, what I feel is that the freedom of speech, the Second Amendment, I guess. I'm sorry, I don't really know the right amendment. That amendment has really people just abuse it. Take it, take it for the guns, or the rallies, the protests. People in rallies and protest. Okay, I can understand. Protest or riot, I can understand. But in protests or rallies, in organized protests and rallies, just wear the masks. In Trump rallies, people do not wear masks. They do not maintain social distance, and like 2 lakh people have been killed in America, and they say that it's less than 1% of their population, but it's around 1% of your population, and 1% out of like 200 million. It's too much, man. It's too much. One person's life is very valuable. That one person is connected to so many people. He has a family. She has a family, friends. Everybody would be affected. So yeah, wear a mask. I wear a mask. I have so many masks, different colors, and yeah, I wear a mask wherever I go. I take a sanitizer with myself whenever I go outside. So you guys also do that, and have a good night. I'll see you on the other side. Good night. And yes, rating for today was around 6, because I was feeling very shitty, but then I took I was industrious. I took command, and I changed my mood, and my mood is much better now. So yeah, I took control, and I liked it. We should take control of our lives. We should take control of our mind before it takes control of us. Yeah. So good night, guys.